all Category 1 crimes, including homicides and shootings.
We looked at the factors that needed to be attended to if we were going to be bringing about renewal committees and also resolving some of the issues that are attended.
This is another MyView TV exclusive. Please remember to hit the notification bell, like, share and subscribe.
I don't bring nobody forward in your cheer for me. Everything what you see up, man, natural talent. Let me tell you something. You see, when you know what to please the audience with, it's simple, man.
Well, my people, hope everybody okay, hope everybody alright. Blessed is everyone that feareth the Lord, that walketh in his way. Psalms 128 and verse 1. Pick up everybody who live visit today. Every day above ground is a blessing. Yes, it's another Sunday. I know the Sunday ball game go already. Sunday hungry. What's that any else hungry? You understand? So just go and big up yourself and go and keep back and go and listen to the news. Because I only putting and going on the news in the paper. Monday round some, Monday round some, Monday over there so. But guess what? The police them finally start do some work. Yes, paper, the police them start do some work. So here what? Me always come and me always talk that you know that it might be. The police them deserve a little tupsa money. Yeah man, them deserve a little tupsa money. We don't want to give them not too much money and them get too comfortable and gone back in them always. But the police them give me a piece of information for go now. Yes, them say my view. Thank you and your supporters them cause who don't make me change the ball game. I mean know somebody I wonder what me I talk about. Them say tell the criminal them say gone are the days when them usually play Monopoly. Can't when them usually issue out and it name go to jail free. Them days they done. Them days there's no more. 31-year-old Dale Douglas who escaped from the sentence be locked up just the other day. Right now they're back behind bars. Because she said the police them on the Monopoly thing no more. No. Loot the business them about people. And them a play one dice and beer lock them lock. Right across the board. The police, the JCF, and the special bounty hunters them. Yes, so them name will never know say. And that's why the government create the task force there. Bounty hunting business them about. Them a go slap wet. It's criminal. None of them now go in. Not one of them are going in. And speaking of, not one of them are going in. Let me tell you the first one them slap wet. Westmoreland's most wanted, Andre Bonnie Hines. Yes, paper, them slap him right away. Whenever you hear about Jelly gets slapped out, of him Jelly them a talk about. And one line they know in the operation, and one lie the police them tell. Only one lie. And me I go forgive them for that one lie about them need to fix it up. Yes, when them a tell people about them came to the hospital go pronounce him. No. Nothing go so. So for the people that would not see the picture they all about in and they group them all over social media. Boy, head back get shell out. Let me give you a ball-to-ball commentary now upon the operation.
It's Adrian Hamilton. I'm the Deputy Superintendent of Police in charge of operations for the Westmoreland Police Division. About 12 noon today, a team of police personnel from the Westmoreland Proactive Investigative Unit were conducting covert surveillance in the Alder area of Bluefields when they were fired on by three men identified as Andre Hines, Devon Bennett O.C. Santa, and Moses Ramsey O.C. Moses. The fire was returned by the police and Andre Hines, the most wanted man for Westmoreland, was hit. He was transported to the hospital where he was pronounced dead on arrival. Now, Andre Hines has tormented, along with his cronies, persons in the Alder area as well as Hudson Street and the Russia areas where he's originally from, and has been wanted by the Westmoreland police for multiple murders, 7 and counting, shootings, extortion, as well as robbery and other offenses that he has been wanted for the longest while. Now, they would have left the Hudson Street area where there's currently a zone of special operation in effect, and they chose this hilly terrain of Alder to exact more mayhem on the community along with his accomplices. Today was the end of that for Hines. However, Devon Bennett O.C. Santa and Moses Ramsey O.C. Moses are two men that were currently personally shot at the police this morning, and they have been wanted before that incident for other crimes committed in the Westmoreland Police Division. We are saying to those men, you need to turn yourself in, find a lawyer, a pastor, or some representative and turn yourself into the police no later than 12 noon, Monday, February 14th. This is part of the national effort in pursuit of guns, gangs, and gunmen. And the Westmoreland Police are energized, and we are doing our part in terms of pursuing the objectives, and we'll continue to do that. And we are saying to the citizens of these areas that, we are here to continue to provide the necessary policing services in terms of pursuing these individuals and criminals who are conducting or executing these crimes. I must also say that an AK-47 rifle, along with 2 magazines and multiple rounds, were seized from Heinz this morning. So we are continuing our thrust, and this will only serve the community of Westmoreland, all the communities right across the board in Westmoreland.
Hold on now, my people. You just never see the science man check him. All of this ring where them away from them finger can't help them, If never they know, say if him get lift out like Precky boy. The police them now in the carrying business no more. No. Load dirt. Hold on a bit then now, soap. Come on, man. Yes, me know y'all listen. Me know the soap police. If him not listen, somebody call him and tell him to tune in right now. Film time now. Draw back that statement there. Yes, I said I call you give president them until Monday for come in. Me I tell if you draw back all of that. Nobody come tell them go find lawyer and judge and whoever for find for come carry them in. No. We don't depend that. Pan who for money? Pan who for money them for come in a bars go sit down and eat 3 square meals a day. No. Remember we have up for that now. It's called the Bounty Hunting Task Force. We're going to slap with all criminal. Anyway, now more people that didn't know talk about that. You understand? Because that thing in the news and them hide from you. No, now get it. Remember them now when they come out and come tell us that comes in trade. Remember them find the security guard at town over the hotel in the water. Then we go to Boom and we go down to St. Elizabeth and we find the patient right in the water too. But we never get to talk about that one down at St. Anne's Bay. Yes, the decomposed body of 25-year-old Orlando Taylor, a fisherman of Mount Edgecombe, Runaway Bay, St. Anne, was discovered in waters at Flavors Beach, Runaway Bay in St. Anne, Wednesday. Yes, people, Wednesday. Report from the St. Anne Bay Police that about 8:20 a.m. persons on the beach stumbled upon the body and alert them. On the arrival, the body was removed from the water and transported to the morgue for post-mortem examination. Yes, me know I never hear about that. So now me a fell on the head. Hold on, I'm going to say the little and go to pay some news. The St. Elizabeth Police has arrested and charged a Manchester man for allegedly stealing numbers of goat in St. Elizabeth. Tuesday, February 1st, the accused was being charged with larceny of cattle has been identified as 50-year-old Oral Bailey. Hold on there. Big old man like you, I walk around and not have people goat, slap if you get slapped with. Report that at about 11 a.m. a team of officers intercept a Toyota Wish motor car. Yes, the transportation of choice being driven by Bailey and carried out a search of the vehicle. During the search, the lawman discovered 2 goats inside the vehicle and the accused man was unable to provide police with sufficient account as to how he came in possession of the animal. Further investigation reveals that the 2 goats fit the description of the one Bailey had in his possession had been stolen from a farm in the parish. Yes, people, big old thiefing Bailey. So like the police, them just stop at this boy, me tell you something, man. Me nah no sympathy for no farmer thief, no farmer robber, no farmer gunman and gunwoman. None of them. All them family me not even feel sorry for too. No. Huddle up in a one car and go joining on the sorrow. All sound. Remember today Sunday, people. Yes, I'm telling you about the Sunday hungry already. This bag of sweet rice, cut it out. Top spoil the rice and peas with the whole heap of sugar. If you cannot cook, sugar can't help you. No. The sugar can't help you. Get about on the bed and look out for some nice breakfast, man. Treat to the belly, treat to the stomach. If you cannot treat it, just link the neighbor we give you a little. Give a little, love a little, and share a little. Only more thing in the news in the paper, but we go on this operation here already. We take the time and we go ball to ball commentary. Because me know they never hear about the bee heading. Man that get fan off and then find the body and then they find the head. So all they need for do is just keep back and go on. Wait for the operation. Because they know some me always are giving all details, Don't need to worry. So don't move a bit. Tell a friend that I'm a matter of fact. See some random people and tell them to forward. Because the operation continue.